host Jimmy Faluda, who always choose part. In the previous episode, we had a lot of complaints from our viewers saying we can do a little better with our budget and our production value. We have taken everything into consideration and we have done absolutely nothing. Okay? We're really sorry about that because we still don't have the money. I'm stuck with this freaking painted wall. Some man is standing upside down. What is this stuff? Huh? Something better, some respect for me. So during this corona outbreak, people came up with a lot of fantastic, really wild theories saying that, this could actually be a bio-war between China and other countries. It could also be the outbreak of World War III, or we could be even dealing with something worse, like Netflix versus Pornhub. And what do I get to cover? TikTok versus YouTube. To understand this universal and highly important problem a little deeper, we have decided to bring in a famous TikToker, but as usual the freaking studio did not have the budget, so we had to bring in his boring dad.
The thing about the youth nowadays is they don't know any culture, no values, no what.
The frame is only this much, you have to close your hands in, now tell me.
The thing about youth nowadays is they don't know what they're doing, no culture, all they're doing is...
I told you the frame is only this much. Put your hands up like this and talk, okay?
Fine. Now...
Okay, now tell me.
Tell what? You didn't ask me anything.
Exactly. Every interview has a protocol. I ask the freaking questions and you start talking after that. Okay. Don't show uncle behavior over here. So now coming back to the question, what do you have to say about this war between YouTube and TikTok?
What? I'm asking what war? My great-grandfather fought in the Second World War. My first father fought in the First World War. My uncle fought against women's rights. So I'm like, okay, one war for us. I'm like, finally my chance, I can go kill some Greeks.
I love how he has his priorities straight.
But out of both them, I hope they both die. But out of YouTube and TikTok, I hate TikTok. Because I hate seeing my own child at 3 o'clock in the morning, wearing crop tops, booty shirts and twerking in the camera.
Sure, I understand that you're pissed at your daughter.
Not my daughter, I'm talking about my son.
Yeah, but there's nothing wrong with that, it's called being gender fluid. Have an open mind, man.
Gender fluid, Not fluid.
Sir, we'll have to save the conversation for not today.
I was thinking, do you know how men danced in my day?
How did they dance?
That's the trick question. Men never danced in my day.
But sir, many people are justifying the fact that TikTok is a platform like any other. It's about how we use it, we can actually use it to put up workout videos or music videos. It's entertainment, what the hell, yeah.
That's the thing, you're right. It's nice seeing the member of my family post workout videos, growing a beard challenge, lifting things. That's all true. But it's very sad when I was the last person to see the video. Other people are showing it to me.
Oh, that's really cool. Your son works out and stuff?
I'm talking about my wife.
Oh, that's really sad.
You know what's irritating? Everything I do is an activity. Everything I do, he makes a video. I hit him one day, at his meeting, I said, go clean the house, go clean the car. He didn't make a TikTok out of that. One sad slow motion music of him cleaning the car. Everything he does, he makes a video out of it. Every activity, one video.
Very creative chap, but I just hope he doesn't do that with his girlfriend.
What?
Nothing, I'll say. So, judging by how much you detest TikTok.
I hate TikTok so much, I haven't bought a clock in ages.
So, I'm assuming that you support YouTubers.
Oh, I hate you fuckers too. The thing about TikTok is, they're terrible for 1 minute. Whereas YouTubers, you guys, you suck for some 10 minutes. My God.
Well, that's what she said.
That's what who said?
Never mind, I'll explain that to you later.
But there's a specific reason why we hate TikTok. It's because TikTok is apparently from China. And China spies on your information. So imagine having a phone from China and they can spy on all your private things and make fake China products out of all your private parts. So that's why I thought of stepping on this platform. And with help of Jimmy Faluda's lots of viewers and subscribers, I want to talk against the TikTok community.
Well, we do not have a lot of subscribers, maybe a few hundreds.
100.
Yeah.
So you guys on YouTube famous?
When did I say that? No, yeah. Not yet, at least.
See, for a few hundred I came all the way here, but you know how much auto fare is? See, my son itself has 1.4 billion followers. God, what traction? Few hundred, bloody hell, my grandfather post office has more traction than you guys. You know what? I'm leaving right now. There is this cute girl who lip syncs Money Paya. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna collaborate her. You know, Jesse, I'm coming.
Hey, pedo! Don't step on the wire. Hey, ask your friends to stop.
We don't need that. Just say, okay. People have got the idea of the show.
Yeah. Cut பண்ணிட்டியா?
உன் டைலாக் பேசினுக்கேன்